A tropical and exotic cocktail known for its bold flavors and vibrant appearance, the Barracuda features a delightful blend of rum, Galliano, pineapple juice, and lime juice, topped off with Prosecco. You will need the following ingredients: 45 milliliters gold rum, 15 milliliters Galliano, 60 milliliters pineapple juice, freshly pressed is best, 10 milliliters fresh lime juice, freshly squeezed, top up Prosecco, chilled garnish pineapple slice, for decoration, garnish maraschino cherry, optional. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, jigger, highball glass. Here are the instructions. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice. Pour the gold rum, Galliano, pineapple juice, and fresh lime juice into the shaker. Shake well until the mixture is chilled. Strain the mixture into a highball glass filled with ice. Top up with chilled Prosecco. Garnish with a pineapple slice and, optionally, a maraschino cherry. The Barracuda cocktail was created in the 1960s and is named after the predatory fish, symbolizing the drink's strong and bold nature. It's also a great cocktail to enjoy poolside due to its refreshing and fruity flavor.